Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the language of the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the settings option in the upper right corner and tap on General. Click on the first option, which is Language. Now you will be directed to your phone's settings, where you need to click on this language option in the preferred language section. Now it is set to English, that's the default language. Here you can find two other suggested languages based on your location. However, if you scroll down, you can see that you have other languages that you can choose from. There's a bunch variety of options here. Click on the relevant one that you would like to change it for. And then if you go back to the application, the language of the app will be changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.